Welcome to Local Edition on Time Warner Cable. I'm Steve Swatt with the Sacramento Report. In the next few minutes, we're going to talk about senior issues in California. And our guest is Bill Dodd, a member of the State Assembly from Napa. Thanks for being with us.
My pleasure, Steve.
I know when you were a supervisor in Napa, you dealt with a lot of senior issues, and some of the state laws are different, obviously. And I know you have one bill that deals with, I guess, vetting those healthcare workers for seniors who are referred by various agencies.
Right. What we're talking about is senior healthcare givers, so that caregivers. Mm-hmm. So somebody would come in and take care of their personal needs in their home. And essentially what happens is these seniors are given a list by referral agencies, a number of names of different people that could take care of their needs. Well, I think that once they get that referral list, I think there is some feeling that those are all approved type of caregivers, but nothing could be further from the truth. Even the referral agency doesn't vet these potential employees at all. And I think that we need to change that. What my bill would do is just make sure that there would be background checks so that the referral agency and, of course, anybody that hires that individual would know what their background is.
Now, we should say that this does not apply to licensed facilities. Right. There's already background checks with them. It doesn't apply to in-home health support services, IHSS, who come into the home and provide some care, because
exactly.
they are vetted. So it's separate from that.
It's separate. So it's kind of raising the level of over time. What we want to do is level the playing field. Everybody should have that same ability to have a licensed caregiver. In this case, not so much licensed, but background checks so that they know the backgrounds of people that have been
criminal check, financial records, right?
Well, yeah, these people are very vulnerable. The seniors are very vulnerable for financial abuse and also physical abuse. So somebody that had either one of those type of crimes in their background might want to be scrutinized a little bit more.
How did this idea for this legislation come to your attention?
Well, I was on the County Board of Supervisors in Napa County for 14 years, and we passed, still today, the first and the only senior health care giver licensing and background checks in the state of California. Out of all 58 counties, we're still the only one that has done it. And we really believe that we saw, and if you need to talk to any district attorney in the state of California, and senior abuse, elder abuse is just ripe. It is just happening all the time. Financial, physical abuse, just to name a couple.
I know you have another piece of legislation dealing with seniors in skilled nursing facilities, dealing with their personal needs allowance.
Right. Yeah, they get personal needs from Medi-Cal, $35 a month. It's been $35 a month since the early 1980s. And here we are in 2016. We're trying to get this raised to about $80 a month. The cost of a haircut has gone up. Everything has gone up over time. And I just think it really recognizes, their value. So many people really enjoy being able to, get out and do some things when they're in those skilled nursing facilities. And so I think it's just the least that we can do for them.
I know your bill hasn't been heard yet.
Right.
Have you received early opposition from some of these facilities or organizations?
No, I haven't heard no early opposition. A lot of early support, obviously, from senior groups, the senior legislature. But really excited to be running these because I think it's important.
All right. Assemblyman Bill Dodd, thank you very much for coming by and talking about these senior issues. We appreciate it.
Thank you, Steve.
And thanks to our viewers also for watching Local Edition on Time Warner Cable. A reminder, you can see this and other interviews on YouTube, on My Government on Demand, and also the California channel. I'm Steve Swatt. Have a great day.